alongside Deco as well as Stanton. Donna, it's without any exaggeration in saying that it's been Mamelodi Sundowns pretty much from start to finish.
It has been, guys, and I can just feel for Magesi players because they're chasing shadows. Whenever they do have the ball, they can't even hold on to the ball for more than 7 seconds. It can be frustrating because they're not creating any opportunities to force Mamelodi Sundowns to defend a little bit. But then again, that 1v1 in that midfield, I think that's the biggest problem because Mamelodi Sundowns are poking holes within those spaces with the mind, so many freedom in terms of movements that they have.
So then, the trouble for Magesi started as early as the 4th minute. Not necessarily the most Ribeiro-esque goal, but he'll take it.
Listen, in menacing mood very early on, looking sharp. They say anything he touches doesn't turn to gold, it goes into the goals. But listen, look at that pass from Sales. Look at the drop of the shoulder from Reyners. And obviously, Ribeiro in the right position gets the touch. And this is what Sundowns has been doing for the past 3-4 matches. First 15-20 minutes in with a goal, and it just shows you the mindset. It's easy to come here. You've already won the league tackle, yet you are focusing on imposing yourself very early on.
Yeah, I mean, you need to be clinical with the quality that Mamelodi Sundowns have. It just shows the professionalism as well from the players as well. They're not taking this game for granted, knowing as well that it is the last game of the season. Yes, you won the league as well, but you still have so much to do. And you can see also the chances that also keep coming, they're creating as well. We spoke about Chipezeze, first of all. But here, I think Reyners as well, with the 2 chances that he had, one of them, this one with Ribeiro, also giving an assist as well to Reyners. I think this could have been an easy goal for Reyners.
Yeah, it certainly has been interesting because Reyners did assist Ribeiro. Ribeiro has tried now twice to hand back the favour.
Yeah.
What a brilliant ball this is.
Yeah, look at the awareness. Look at how they assume the different positions and spaces on the field. Another thing that's sticking out for me is the variation with the set plays.
Yeah.
This comes from a set play. It's a short one, it's a long one, and talk about variation of set plays. I was just chatting to Teko about Ribeiro's first touch in this one.
And it's a first touch that you can see how bumpy the pitch is. It's a first touch, it becomes calmer waiting for the ball to drop. You expect him against the players to be rushing in, and then they gave him so much space, but also kudos as well to Ribeiro to have that calmness as well, with players rushing in, to be able not to use the power, but to be precise to actually put the ball in the corner.
Yeah, it's different gravy that.
It's the finesse for me, it's the awareness, the calmness, but all in all, it's the confidence that not only Ribeiro, but the confidence of Allende passing in the ball. It's the confidence of the players making the run into the box, knowing that they're creating space at the edge of the box. And I think it's celebrations all around.
As far as the goal scoring charts are concerned, he's up to 16 now. And as far as the chances then are concerned for Sundowns, brilliant strike this from Tomoko Mukwena. And as he was lining up, you're going to act as if you didn't hear me. I said, Liangene.
Yeah, we thought Liangene because of the angle as well. You can look at the GPS as well, how he positions his role. But those are the chances Mamelodi Sundowns keep creating, and you can see the hunger within the players as well to try and get more goals.
That's 3 goals they've scored, or rather 2 goals they've scored from the 3 efforts on target. We saw Magesi just before they walked off have a bit of a conference here on the pitch at half-time. What do you think was central to what they were trying to say to themselves?
Yeah, they need to find solutions to get out of that defensive block and at least test the Sundowns defense. They've got options on the box. They've got Gift Matupa. They have Dylan Makoa in midfield. They have Mashakinya, So there is a bit of experience on that bench. And let's see if ODG can come up with a solution just to make it a little bit more challenging for Sundowns in the second half.
Final thoughts, Deco, quickly?
Yeah, I think it's a game where now, if there's 2 goals that we conceded, they need to come out of the blocks and start creating chances if they really want to get something out of this. But also the risk as well, if you come out, you're creating those holes in the midfield. So it just depends on understanding what is it that we really need.
Mamelodi Sundowns have not dropped any points from winning positions this season. So going into the second half then, we're 45 minutes away from them